So this is a exercise 4J last week tutorial. So those who submitted the tutorial in the individual activity, you can get it back from the link in the Telegram. The question is solve the differential equation y double prime plus 9y equal to gt. Given the initial condition, y 0 equal to 0, y prime 0 equal to 0. Where the gt is 3, negative 3, 0. Gt equal to 3, for the time interval 0 to 3. When t from 3 to 6, the function is negative 3. T greater than 6, the function is 0. The function is 0. So this is a step function. So from step function, we need to convert to unit step function before you can take the Laplace transform using the second shift property. To convert it, very easy. The topmost function, 3, you factor out. So you got 3. Takes the middle, which is negative 3, minus 3. So add up, negative 3 minus 3. Their connecting point is actually 3, mean the same, connecting point at 3. So this is ht minus 3. Sum stop two function only. You still got the the third the third function, add up. The bottom, which is 0. And then some careless mistake, 0 minus negative 3, and this is 6 here, 6. So ht minus 6. Because if you wrong at the gt, then the whole thing gone. So 3 minus 6 ht minus 3 plus 3 times ht minus 6. So this is a correct gt after you convert to unit step function. So 3 minus 3 minus 3, so minus 6 ht minus 3, 0 minus negative 3, so become positive 3 ht minus 6. Then you take Laplace transform at both hand side. So the Laplace transform for y double prime minus 9y equal to the Laplace transform for gt, which is 3 minus 6 ht minus 3 plus 3 times ht minus 6. So the Laplace transform for second derivative. If you cannot remember, just look back at the table of Laplace transform. It's actually they multiply here by s. So s squared ys minus sy0 minus y prime 0. Can you copy this one? Yeah, it's here. S squared ys minus sy0 minus y prime 0 for Laplace transform for second derivative. And then add up. Laplace transform for 9 times of y will be 9ys. Laplace transform for constant 3 is 3 over s. Laplace transform for ht minus 3, minus 6 times exponent negative 3s over s. So if you're not confirmed, refer back the table of Laplace transform. ht minus 3, replace a by 3. So exponent negative 3s over s. Because it's very important you get the correct Laplace transform. Because if wrong, let's say you're wrong at gt, then the Laplace transform wrong. So if this one correct, but you're taking the wrong Laplace transform, later when you do inverse, the answer will be wrong also. And then so plus 3 times Laplace transform for ht minus 6 will be exponent negative 6s over s. Some taking Laplace transform, the answer is in t, which is wrong also. Okay, and then plug in the initial condition y0 equal to 0, y prime 0 equal to 0. Plug in here. Second step, plug in the initial condition. Okay, this is first step, taking the Laplace transform. Second step is substitute the initial condition y0 equal to 0, y prime 0 equal to 0. So that's why left s squared ys, because this is 0, 0, plus 9ys. Okay, all is over s. So equal to am I 3 minus 6 exponent negative 3s plus 3 exponent negative 6s over s. Okay, this is second step, plug in the initial condition. Third step, solve for the ys. So from second step, factor out ys. So first term s squared, this one, the second term still got 9. So equal to 3 minus 6 exponent negative 3s plus 3 exponent negative 6s over s. So bring the s squared plus 9 to right hand side. So the ys get 3 minus 6 exponent negative 3s plus 3 exponent negative 6s, okay, over s squared plus 9. Okay, some of you did the partial fraction and you did it correctly. Some, when you copy it down, 3 become 2, which is wrong. So number 4, taking the inverse Laplace. Okay. So you got the yt, which is the inverse Laplace of yt, inverse Laplace of ys, you get yt. Okay, so mean the inverse Laplace of 3 minus 6 exponent negative 3s plus 3 exponent negative 6s over s squared plus 9. Okay, you may find the inverse Laplace, okay, using a partial fraction, or you can use a transform of integral. I mean, this one you can break it back. It's actually three times minus 6 times exponent negative 3s over s squared plus 9, okay, plus 3 times the inverse Laplace of exponent negative 6s over s squared plus 9. So for the first term, okay, we can solve it using a transform of integral. Okay, all right. The inverse Laplace for 3 over s, okay, 3 over s squared plus 9. Okay, I can solve it one time. Okay, I solve for one time. Okay, this is s. Okay, first term, okay, I will take it 1 over s. Okay, I solve for one time, later multiply by 3 back. Okay, this one, so one time, so this one, later on you multiply by negative 6 times, this one multiply by 3 times. Second and the third term, okay, apply the second shift property. So this one, okay, okay, you can use partial fraction, okay, but okay, I will use transform of integral. So 1 over s squared plus 9 over s, okay, which is the form of the inverse Laplace of fs over s. Okay, okay, if you have the inverse Laplace of fs over s, okay, using transform of integral is equal to the integral of 0 to t. Okay, you may have the f tau d tau, or you want fu du. Okay, where just now you got, okay, you find the voltage across the capacitor 1 over c. Integral of I tau d tau from 0 to t, you get is over s. Okay, now reverse. Inverse Laplace of fs over s, you get the result integral of f tau d tau from 0 to t. You don't like tau, you change fu du also can. Okay, where this case your fs is actually 1 over s squared plus 9. So the ft, okay, will be 1 over 3 sin 3t. Okay, if you want f tau or you want fu also can, just changing of variable. 1/3 sin 3 tau. Okay, so that's why, okay, f tau d tau you got 1/3 integral, okay, 0 to t sin 3 tau d tau. So integrate sin, you have cos 3 tau divided by negative 3. So 0 to t. So you get total is negative 1 over 9 cos 3t minus cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So that's why I got negative 1 over 9 cos 3t minus 1. Okay, want to change it. So 1 over 9, 1 minus cos 3t. So mean the first term here, mean the yt, the first term, this is 3 times. Okay, what we use, okay, this is 1 time, so multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. So if the inverse Laplace of 3 times s over s squared plus 9, okay, the result that we did from transform integral just now is 1 time, so this one multiply by 3, so 3 over 9 you get 1/3. So the result here 1/3 1 minus cos 3t. Mean 3 times here. So 1, okay, 1/3 times 3, yeah? 1/3 1 minus cos 3t. Yeah, for this result. Okay, and the second result, okay, okay, is negative 6 times, and then you apply the second shift property. Second shift property. Mean you got negative 6 times here, and is this one is exponent negative 3s. So it's in the form of this one, the second term here is actually in the form of negative 6 times the inverse Laplace of exponent negative 3s fs. Exponent negative 3s fs. Okay, where the fs you got 1 over s squared plus 9 we obtain in where we use the transform of integral just now. Yeah. 1 over 9, okay, times 1 minus cos 3t. Okay, therefore this one, this result, okay, copy it there. Can I copy the whole thing? Okay, put it here. Okay, that's why this one, okay, this result is take here, multiply by negative 6 over 9. Okay, and using second shift property, t is shifted by 3. So you got 1 minus cos 3 times of t minus 3 h t minus 3. Cos here. This one, negative 6 times inverse Laplace of exponent negative 3s fs. The result you have negative 6 ft minus 3 ht minus 3. Negative 6 times ft minus 3 ht minus 3, where the ft we, okay, ft is here, and then need to multiply by negative 6 times, and then t change by t minus 3, so multiply by ht minus 3. Okay, and the third result 3 times of here, so 3 over 9. Then this is a exponent negative 6, so t, okay, will change to t minus 6 multiply ht minus 6. So 1 minus cos 3 times t minus 6 ht minus 6. Okay, so the result, okay, for the yt, you need to add up. You got 3 terms. Okay, this is the first term, and then the second term, this is the third in the yt. Okay, so we collect back, okay, from 1 to 3 there. Number 1 is here. Okay, then add up from number 2. Yeah. Okay, add up, yeah, number 3. Yeah. So let's check the answer. That's from 4i question 5. Yeah. This one negative, okay. So negative 1/3 cos 3t. So here, negative 1/3 cos 3t, negative, negative. So this is positive 1/3. Okay. And then the second term, okay, you simplify it. This is 2 over 3. So negative, okay, here, negative 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 cos 3 times negative, negative, so positive. 2 over 3 times cos 3 times t minus 3 multiply ht minus 3. Okay, and then the third term plus. So simplify. This is 1/3. Okay, negative 1/3 multiply negative 1. So positive 1/3 multiply ht minus 6. So minus 1/3 cos 3 times t minus 6 multiply ht minus 6. So it's correct. So okay, this